Sir Chris?
Ano, hindi kita maintindihan. What's that? Ay, yes. Can you hear me? Teka. Ayan, James, hello?
Ay, baba, nano pala yung volume.
Yan. Okay, can you hear me?
Opo. Yan. Medyo clear na.
I, I'm not sure ha. I think I should wear my earphones eh. But never mind. Sige, ito na muna. So, how's everything? Kamusta ka na? How's your practice?
Oh, okay naman, boys. Ano lang. Panay Chanchuang ako ngayon, kuya eh.
Ano?
Panay Chanchuang.
Okay. Puro...
Doon lang umiikot yung practice ko. Parang... Regular ba pa rin naman, pero kuya, parang...
Ay, James, pasensya na, James. I'll just get my handkerchief. Sorry, I left it. Wait lang. Hello?
Hindi na kayo,
Yeah.
Tawagan mo kung hindi na kayo sa bahay.
Okay.
Okay.
Ha?
Hindi ata ako. Pero hindi din.
Nag-iyak?
Oo.
Kasi sabi ko, baliktad kami.
Sige, mama. Okay.
One second ah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, kuya.
James, sandali ah. I'm turning on... Wait. Sandali. I'm trying to activate the earphones. Ano ba yan? Wait lang.
Napapagaw lang po.
Okay, mga technical difficulties. Okay, finally. Earphones. Sige, tell me. What's your practice, Chan Chuang? And what postures do you do? Hindi ka pa nag-open sa unlimited posture? Hindi. Unlimited posture is the entirely hapaka. So, choose ganyan, di ba? Ganyan. You can stand like this. You can stand like this. You can stand like this. Ganon. Pati yung legs. You can do the legs of... Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yeah. So let's say ganyan. You can stand exactly like this, 'di ba sa part ay chinelas ako eh. Wala ba? Teka. May video ako. Naka-off yung sa'yo. Oh, I can see you eh. I cannot see you. Pero I can see myself sa screen ko. Shit. I didn't wear any shoes. You cannot see pa rin? Sige. Okay. I'll call you. Sige. Yan. Can you see me? Naka-black ka. I cannot see you. Hmm? As long as you can see me. Ayan, I can see you. Okay. So you have the 8 postures, di ba? Correct? And then you have to open to unlimited posture. So pumili ka. Do you spar ba? Do you fight? Oh, kasi if you fight, it's more like, what do you use when you fight? So for example, me, I use this. I use this. I use this. A lot of this. Mostly I use like this. You will not naman use all the moves in a fight. I always use this. Or like that. If I'm blocking. And then pag may mag-hit sa akin, I'm going to, let's say may mag-kick, I use this. So, for example, I use this a lot. I use this a lot when someone kicks me, di ba? Then, when someone kicks me and I kick back. So, I can stand meditation like this. I'm not sure if you can see me, ah. Pero cat stance, ganyan. Or ganyan. See? Depends, eh. Depends what my imagination is, eh. So if I always use this, like I always use this, so I will stand meditation like this. You have to stand, you have to do your standing based on the postures that you actually use. Diba? The fighting postures. Like I use this a lot also when I fight. So ito yung standing ko. Tsaka I like using cat stance. I like using cat stance, eh. Or sometimes I like using twisted stance when I'm fighting. And then, if there's a left, there should be a right. Then, aside from left and right, you have to remember, merong closed fist. Pwedeng closed fist ganito. Pwedeng baliktad. Pwedeng baliktarin mo yung palms mo. Pwedeng forward palm, pwedeng baliktad yung palm. Can you see? I'm recording this, so I'll send it to you. Pero ako lang, hindi ikaw. So, ganyan, 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 ganyan. So what kind of fist? Is it forward? Is it upwards? Is it downwards? Di ba? You can have a fist na ganito, baliktad. Remember, we have like this. Luhong. Luhong. So, can be up here, can be down here, can be like this. See, we're opening kasi unlimited, eh. Unlimited postures. We can do standing like this. We can do standing like this. We can, di ba? So, unlimited postures. What you use for fighting, that's exactly what you use sa unlimited postures. Nakailang minutes ka na ba? Pwede na yung 30 minutes, sobra na yan. Pero sayang yung time, eh. Do you do any type of contraction? Nasa linking ka na. Matagal na yung 15 minutes. Pwede na yan. Liu Hong. Sige. Linking. Tawag dito. Sige, anong question mo? No. No, no. Walang basis yan. Yung linking, nothing to do with posture. Only relaxing. Okay? During relaxing, martial postures yung relaxing. Like this is a martial posture, di ba? Basta, relaxing is always martial posture. Pero, contraction, wala. Di ba? Wala. Ganon din yung linking, wala. Walang connection sa martial postures. So you can link watching TV like this. For example, I'm sitting like this. This leg is linking. See? This leg is linking yung paa ko. Pwede ko i-twist ganito, pwede ko i-twist ganyan. Naka-linking yung legs ko. Then while watching TV, I can do this. Ganyan lang. Or like this. Diba? So linking, walang connection. You can do it while you're lying down. No, walang martial posture. No, ilalak mo. Ilalak mo yung linking. Yes. Okay, so you do this. Fingers here. Finger here. Tapos elbow here, papunta sa finger. So finger papuntang elbow. No. Fingers papuntang shoulder. Tapos elbows papuntang fingers. More pa. Basta nakalak na siya. Kung kaya mo ganyan. Kung kaya mo hanggang dito lang. Basta yung sagad mo. Bawat tao iba-iba. Maximum of 80. Pwede, kung i-100 mo, nung 100% ko, nagkaroon ako ng tennis elbow, I had to go to the doctor. Kasi mga 2 months later, di ko pa rin maggalaw yung arm ko. Yung pala, I developed na pala tennis elbow because nag-100 ako. So, wag ka mag-100, 80 max na yan, max na yan. Hanggang 80 lang. So, okay, tapos, so for example, this is linking. This is going here, and this one is going here, di ba? Tapos this one wants to go out. Di ba? And then, ito yan. Tapos meron pa ito. Ito ganun din. This one, you're resisting to go in. This one is going forward. Shoulder going forward. Wrist going inward. Tapos yung elbow dito, gustong lumabas papunta doon. So push intention. This one is push intention. This one is push intention. So, 2 pushes. 2 directional pushes. And then naglalak na yan. Wala ka na magagawa. Nakalock na talaga. Kahit anong gawin mo, it's lock. This is linking. You have to lock it. Pero walang connection sa martial posture. Just, it has... Same. Wala. Ako downwards. Wag upwards. Down. Ako downwards ako. Yeah. Shoulder downwards. Tumutulong na lang yung shoulder. Then straight back ha. Wag kuba. Yung legs, ganun din. Same. Link pa rin. Feet, knee, hip, link also. Isang intention pababa, isang intention ng tuhod pa ganyan. Then yung toes mo papunta dito. And then yung butt mo papunta yung puwet mo papunta sa heels mo. Ano? What? Wag mo ihalo sa yan, Pao. Kasi yan, Pao, is relaxation. Linking is linking. Okay? So, yeah, remember, number 1, relaxation. Number 2, hindrance, di ba? Number 3, contraction. Pagdating sa linking lang talaga, huwag mo i-relaxation. Pero, hindi mo ma-help, mako-combine talaga. Pero hindi yan yung intention mo. Yung intention mo, linking lang. So, for example, I'm doing yan pao. Nag-yan pao ka ba? No. Like now, sitting down, I'm doing yan pao. Very light lang. My feet is not touching. Very light lang. So, yung legs ko is lifted. This very light yan pao. Support ng arms ko. I'm supporting my body. So, my body is straight. You notice? It's straight. And then, yung legs ko up. That's yan pao. Tapos, pag magli-link ako, ganun din. Pero iba na yung intention. Kasi with linking, I have to push my butt forward. I have to push my knee forward. I have to push yung sa paa ko dito forward. Then, dapat may pull rin. Kung may push, may pull. Hindi pwedeng push lang lahat, walang pull. So, babalansahin mo yan. Lahat ng push, may pull. May push dito, may pull dito. Basta lahat ng push dapat may pull. Hanapin mo kung saan yung push and pull. The more you find, the stronger you are. The more opposites you find. So for example, I found one opposite here, and then one opposite here. And then may opposite pa ako dito, tatlong opposite. The more you find, the stronger you are. Okay, si Master David asked me, how many opposites have I found? My answer was 8 to 9. 8 to 9, whole body na. Pati tapos yung sa yan pao, you're relaxing, you're just relaxing, di ba? Sa linking, you have to puwersa na ganon, you have to force it na, yung knee mo force upwards. Yung iba na yung intention, your body will tense up if you link your body. So I told Master David, I have 8 to 9 linkings. You know what he told me? Ilan yung opposites niya? More than 70. Yes. So, where? Ako naman, where? He said, no, I discovered myself. You discover your own. Yan ang sagot niya. And now, if I link, I have about 15 to 20. Di ba? So, dadami rin, but I'm not as crazy as he is eh. So, okay na ako. Okay na ako yung kaya ko lang. Ayoko rin i-pursa eh. Competing. After linking, competing. Yeah, did I teach you na? Hindi pa. No. Competing is... sige. Start mo na basic compete. Okay. There has to be an opposite. So, yan, sideways. Okay. See my hand, di ba? Yan. Look at my body. Yan. Yung hand ko, pinapantay ko sa shoulder ko. Di ba? Kung ganyan lang, you're not competing. Wait. Si Jaron tumatawag. Can you hear me pa? Sige. You're not competing. Kasi, it's going forward. Walang bumabalik at patras, di ba? Forward lang. Nothing is going backward, di ba? Competing means sabay. See? So yung hands, ito, pag walang compete, the hands lumalampas sa screen. Diba? Pero pag may compete, syempre my shoulders are going back. Yung hands hindi na lumalampas sa screen. This is open compete. See, I'm opening. This is close compete. I'm closing. Open compete. Close compete. Open compete. Close compete. Open. Close. Okay? Open. Close. So, open compete, close compete. Two hands, same thing. Open compete. See, my hands are barely going out of the screen. Diba? Close compete. Open, close. If I don't do that, ito lang. Or back lang. Dapat sabay. That's competing. Okay? So, dapat sabayan. Okay. Ito, pwede ba mag-compete dito? Dapat pwede. You have to find the opposites always. Ano yung opposite nito? Tsaka nito. Ganyan. See? Going up, going down. See? This one, hindi, kung going down lang, hindi ito tataas. Ganyan lang. Or kung ito lang gumagalaw, ito hindi gumagalaw. Ganun lang. Wala yan. It has to be like that. See? This is my one arm is competing. Understand? Hindi lang yan. Here. Sa screen. Far, near. See? Only my wrist is moving, di ba? Hindi nagko-compete yan. To compete with the elbow is, see? My elbow is also going far and near. This is compete. Di ba? Ngayon, the wrist is competing with the elbow, right? Okay, plus the wrist should compete with the shoulder. See? And then, now my wrist is competing with my other hand. Look, hand to hand. See? The two hands are competing. So now you're seeing wrist and elbow, wrist and shoulder, hand and hand competing. Okay? So, many competes, you find as many opposites as you can. That's already 3 opposites, one arm pa lang. You find as many opposites as you can. And then, aside from the arm, okay, how about the head? See my head? My head is competing now with my hand. Diba? Head is competing with this hand. Diba? Look, diba? Far, near. Head. Pero the head can also compete with this hand. So, like this. Diba? Okay? So, compete. You pick what you want your head to compete with. The left hand or the right hand. See? My head is making sabayo na with the left hand forward. Nagko-compete siya with the right hand. Forward yung left, yung head, yung right hand is backward. Pero, I want the head to compete with the left hand, opposite. Sumasabay ngayon yung right hand sa head. Right hand and head front, right hand and head back. Right hand and head front, right hand and head back. See? So you find many opposites. That's competing. The entire Luhapapa is compete. They call it the harmony. Luhapapa has harmonies, di ba? Pag may up, may down, may left, may right, may forward, may backward, may center. So, 6 directions, up, down, left, right, forward, backward, and then center. So, they call it the Luhapapa star. Para kang star. 1 head up, 2 legs down, 2 arms like that. So, the entire Luhapapa is compete, see? Competing. Competing. It's competing, huh? Competing. See? Competing. See, going up, going down. Going forward, going back, going up, going down ulit. Going up and down, going forward and back. Right and left. Close. Right and left. May down, may up. Diba? If you remember this move, ano yan? Yes. 1, 2, 3, di ba? It's far, near, far up, near down. And then basta three different locations, three different heights, three different distances. 'Di ba? 3 moves. There. So low and close, far and high. Then middle and middle. And then this one naman. And then next is this one naman bababa, ito naman. So 3 different distances, 3 different heights. Each hand. So you have to sort of always find the opposite. Never tayo hindi nag-oppose. See, it's not like this. It's not like this and then like this. It's opposite, oh. Opposite when out and they both go there. Pag nag-change ng direction, they both go out. When nag-up ito, nag-down yung isa. Pag nag-down yung isa, nag-up yung isa. Then nag-left, nag-right sabay. Pag may bababa, may tataas. Pag may mag-move, see? It's not just like that. It's not just like that and like that. It's like that. Sabay. Diba? There, sabay, oh. Always at the same time. Always at the same time. Never nang nagpapaiwan. Dapat parehas palagi yung speed. Tsaka yung height is never the same. Like, ganyan. It's not like that. It's not like that na flat. It's like that. Na may forward konting isa. Diba? It's like when I push, it's not like that. It should be sort of like that. Or sort of like that. Na ibang distance. Always find an opposite and you're doing it right. Mukha siyang straight pero hindi. Mukha siyang sabay yung dalawa pero hindi. One is always slightly higher, one is always slightly farther. Pwedeng yung higher, yung malapit, yung farther, yung baba. Or pwedeng baliktad. Always like that. Pag nagko-compete ka na, you're entirely have a full change. Baka ma-overload ka, James. Ang dami ko nang sinabi. Then, naka-record naman. That's why I'll send this to you. I'm recording with a different camera. I'll send it to you. Sige, ano pa? Wala. Hindrance is not for yapafa. Hindrance is for contradicting. Dati. Di ba ngayon it's relaxation, hindrance, contraction, di ba? Pinalitan ni Master David. Yung original is relaxation, contracting, linking, competing, hindrance. And then contradicting. Hindrance is number 5. Kaya lang, sobrang hirap ng hindrance. Sobrang hirap kasi puro physical ang ginagawa mo eh. Physical yung relaxation, physical yung contraction, yung linking. And then yung competing, physical pa. Then all of a sudden, hindrance is mental. Diba? So yung ginawa ni Master David, sinabay niya yung hindrance siya yung relaxation. Sinabay na niya. Sabay hindrance and relaxation. Diba? May imagination ka na sa relaxation. So, nung sinabay niya, it became faster. Kasi in the beginning pa lang nag-hindrance ka na. Pero hindrance has nothing to do with everything. It is only used in the last, in competing. What is competing? Sige, bakit kailangan ng compete? Kailangan ng contradict and compete. Sige. Relaxation is for relax force, di ba? Relax fighting. Contracting and linking is for physical, for sinking, holding the enemy na hindi ka magagalaw. Very strong physical. That's linking and contracting. Relaxing is you're relaxed while you're doing it. Competing and contradicting para saan? Competing, hindrance, contradicting para saan? So, 1, 2, 3 for fighting. Ano yung 4, 5, 6? So, 1, relaxed fighters. 2, strong muscles. 3, linking strong joints. Combine mo yung relaxed and strong joints and arms and muscles pala. Okay, ngayon, para saan yung competing, hindrance, contradicting? Para saan yung second 3? Only one. Only one use, no other use. Patching. Kung hindi mo ma-master yung 4, 5, 6 or yung competing, hindrance, contradicting, hindi ka makaka-patching. That's why I always say, hurry up na. Kailangan dumating ka na sa patching. Yung linking, without linking contracting and relaxing, hindi ka makaka-compete and contradict. Okay, yung contradicting may papasok sa ulo mo. Very real imagination during contradicting. Pag wala yung imagination na yan, hindi ka magpa-patching. Hindi ka makaka-patching. You have to imagine 3 things at the same time. You can only imagine one thing at a time, di ba? You can only think of one subject at a time. During patching, you will imagine 3 things at the same time. And many movements. Many, kasi yung contact, press, push, add, retract. Contact, press, push, add, explode, retract. So, di ba? So, you're going to do 6 moves and 3 imaginations in a split second. It's no joke. Right now pa lang, I'll bet you can't even do 2 moves. And you cannot imagine 2 things. You're doing 6 physical moves, 7, contact, press, push, explode, add, explode, retract. Yung, you're doing 6 physical moves and 3 imaginations at the same time para you can patching. Kaya hirap na hirap kami ni Dylan. You remember we practice patching. Kami ni Dylan medyo hirap na hirap. Parang we're really, nag-iisip muna kami because we're trying to incorporate 9 things in one move. We're trying to incorporate 9 different things. 6 physical and 3 mental. It's not easy. Not easy talaga. Tapos pag hindi mo magawa properly, mahina yung patching mo. It's not patching. It's just a push. Diba? So, the sooner that you can master competing and contradicting and hindrance, the sooner you can patching. Kaya I always rush. Go, try to make 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 kasi yan talaga yung patching. Yan lang, wala nang iba. Kahit 20 years ka mag 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll never patching without 5 and 6. Yan. Yan talaga yung patch. And then if you do 5 and 6 only, wala rin. Kasi mahina. Mahina, you don't have exploding. Exploding is contracting eh. And then yung, exploding, yes. Diba? Parang, yung truck, diba? Yung truck na, yung kasing laki ng truck, bumangga sa tao, matigas yung truck, diba? The matigas is the linking. Imagine a marshmallow kasing laki ng truck. Diba? Useless. Yan ang walang linking. Walang linking, walang gasolina. Gasolina yung contracting. Sudden acceleration. So, marshmallow lang, no gasoline, wala. Hindi mo ma-hurt yung tao. Pero if you have linking and contradicting, parang truck. Parang may makina, may arangkada, tapos bakal pa. That's the difference. Pero, wala pa rin explosive power. Walang boom. Yan yung 5 and 6. With the imagination. For short, yung driver. Kailangan mo ng hindrance, yan na yung driver. Isabay-sabay yung driver, may manibela, may cambio, may paa. 3 things at the same time, di ba? Paa, kamay, tapos mata. 3 things, may cambio pa. So, many physical, many mental. That's why you really need hindrance, competing, contradicting. Madaling sabihin lang, pero good luck in doing it, di ba? Without guidance. Hindi mo magagawa. That's why I have to guide you. I have to guide you slowly. That's why you have to, you're doing it na. Ikaw, when you do, you just asked me a question kanina. Pag nililink, paano sa Yanpao, sumasabay. You're already doing it. Without knowing it, sinasabay mo na. Pero you're only making sabay 2. You're only making sabay relaxing and linking. Wala kang contracting na sumasabay. Kasi wala ka pang competing. Pag nagko-compete ka na, yan, automatic lalabas yung contracting mo. Lalabas na rin yung linking mo kasi link na rin to eh. So once you're competing, papasok na yung 4 didikit na. Didikit na yung relaxing, contradicting, linking sa compete. Pero kung hindi ka pa nag-compete, link lang, hanggang ka lang, relaxing and linking ka lang. Walang contracting. Sa bagay, may konting contract kasi you're forcing it, di ba? Pero hindi, it's not really contracting. Di ba? Pero hindi mo ma-help, masasabay mo talaga. Kahit hindi mo isipin, sasabay siya. Kusa siya sasabay. I don't need to teach you. Automatic yan. No. Mag-selective ka na. Like me. Yeah, Chan Chuang is like when I'm sitting down, when I'm in the office, when I'm may aquarium dito, when I'm doing the aquariums, syempre, that's Chan Chuang already. Pero, when I'm watching TV, linking, pero particular linking lang, minsan ganyan lang, minsan ganyan. Particular na lang, hindi na sabay lahat. And then competing, kung feel ko, oy, just try, konting ganun lang. Diba? Yung contradicting is different eh. Contradicting is, it's slightly modified konti yung contracting kasi may konting hindrance na kasama dapat eh. Diba? Thus you're imagining already. Okay. So, yan. Mag-change ng konti. Okay? No. When I see him, he's always linking. Kasi pag dumadating ako, pumapasok ko sa kwarto niya, he's always linking. I've never seen him doing chanchong. Linking siya the whole time. Kasi sa kanya, combined na. Kung nagli-link siya, he's already in relaxation also. So, nasabay na niya. Hindi na hiwalay. Sabay na. Yung linking niya tsaka relaxation, isa na lang. So, I always see him linking. Even when I don't know. Nung hindi ko pa alam yung linking. Yeah, okay lang. You still live in, near SM? Balara? Nasa Balara ka pa rin? Oo, yeah. Anyway. Yes. Chris, sinong Chris? I don't know him. Anong style niya? You need push hands. Si Floyd, kamusta? He's teaching you. Siya yung teacher mo. Si Chris, I never touch him. Anong style niya? Saan siya nag-aaral? Freestyle or form? Tama. Hindi kasi si Ed, yung push hands niya is Leopafa. Although, kahit na yang Tai Chi yung tinuturo niya, pagdating sa push hands, it's Shin-I. Parehas kay si Tristan naman, he's always teaching many Tai Chi students. Marami ng Tai Chi students, Shin-I push hands nang ginagamit. Marami na. So, I'm not surprised. That's why tinanong ko kung freestyle or form. Kasi kung freestyle, Shin-I yan. Yung Tai Chi, walang freestyle. Tai Chi, form lang. Tai Chi, form lang, di ba? Yung ganyan. Tapos, balik. Di ba? So, Tai Chi is all form. Shin-I is walang form. So, kung Tai Chi lang talaga. Tai Chi lang talaga. Diba? Yeah. Oh, yeah, you won't think na. Pero lalabas sa moves mo. Kita. Only if you do a lot of... If you learn from me Tai Chi more, I will make sure na gagamitin mo yung dance. I'll make sure na lalabas mo yung dance. Sila Jason, gano'n na I'll tell Jason, I have to see it in Leopafa. So, nagpo-push, para ako, nagpo-push hands ako with you. I'm always doing Leopafa form. Always. Yan, holding. All my moves are within Leopafa. So, it looks exactly like Leopafa. Ilalagay mo yung utak. Don't tell na anyone this. Don't tell anyone this. Pero when you practice with Floyd or Chris, sabihin mo lang, dahan-dahan konti, may ginagawa ka lang. Tapos ilalabas mo yung push hands ng Leopafa. Tell them to slow down. Tell them may ginagawa ka, may pinapagawa ako sa'yo. And then don't tell them what it is. Pero ilalabas mo yung Leopafa mo. Tandaan mo lang yung mga moves mo. That's why you need to also practice Leopafa. Para you'll remember the moves. And then, just stick. So when I'm pushing, ganyan. Tapos biglang punching. Ganyan. Diba? Tapos biglang form, push, cross, all, diba? We have this. Just remember Leopafa and use it in push hands. So dapat your entire Leopafa looks like, your entire push hands looks like you're doing Leopafa. And then I always video ours dati, diba? Pinapanood ko yung sarili ko. I watch myself to see kung lumalabas yung Leopafa. That's why I always video dati, remember? Of course, I make videos of us. Pero actually, I'm looking at my Leopafa. Diba? So, yan ang purpose ko. So, you will... Ah, 500. Estimate 500. More or less lang yan. Hindi eksakto. Yeah, pero huwag mo nang isipin yan. 10,000 repeats? Yeah. Ikaw, naka 1,000 ka na. That's only 3 times a year. Ako lang. Yeah, a day pala. 3 times a day. O, di ba? 3 times a day in 1 year, 1,000 yan. Ako, sure. I'm sure. Lampas-lampas na ako. Ilang thousand. Diba? So, yan. That's the, you have to, if I were you, you really concentrate on competing and contradicting. Kasi sobra-sobra ka na sa standing. Hindi ka na mag-improve hanggang doon na lang. You need to compete and contradict and to link. Sa linking, kaya mo na ba whole body? Okay. So, wala ka pang, di ka pa nakakasync. No, what do you call this? Root. Di ka ba nakaka-root? Routing, di ba nagpo-push test tayo? Na even if I'm standing up with 2 legs, you cannot push me. That's routing. Wala. Hindi ka pa makaka-root. Actually, I know naman hindi pa eh. Kasi, without linking, you cannot root. You need to do linking and then you need to do the combination exercise ng linking. Wala ka pa dun eh. That's why, it's not just learning how to link. Pag kaya mo na yung whole body mo, I will teach you the combination exercise. Kapag natapos mo yung combination exercise, nakaka-root ka na. Mabilis lang yan. Siguro 1 week lang of combination, makaka-root ka na. Yung problema is hindi mo pa nagagawa yung buong linking. You really have to finish linking. If I were you, mag-jump out ka na sa sa relaxation. Kasi that's tagal na nun. 10 years ka na ata nagre-relaxation. Diba? Dapat 1 year lang yan eh. 1 year lang naman dapat yan eh. Tapos contracting mga 1 year din. Linking mga 4 months. Mag-linking ka na. If I were you mag-linking ka na. Hindi ka makaka-explode. Pag nagwe-weights ka, your muscles are always hard. Wala kang soft and then hard. Wala kang, di ba when you explode, pag ganyan yung explosion, kung ganyan na yung muscles mo, paano ka pa mag-explode? Ganyan na lang. You have to relax and then explode. Relax and then explode. So, like, when I sample it, I'm pressing my hand. For example, I'm pressing my arm. And then okay, here na. I'm pressing my arm here. It's soft, As in, pumapasok siya, parang taba. Pero pag nag-explode ako, laki, So it goes from here to here. 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 There, Like that, and then like that. Like that. Because I have exploding distance. Pero kung nag-weights ka, it's always big. It's always lobo. Paano mo ipapaliit kung nag-weights ka? Okay, exploding is for fetching. So pagdating ng fetching, nakaka-compete ka, nakaka-contradict ka, you can contact, press, push, add. Explode ang wala ka. Yan na mismo yung fetching, yung explode eh. So, mawawalan ka na explode. That's exactly why Jaren cannot fetching. Jaren's good. Wrestling, lahat good siya. Pero sa kaka-weights niya, hindi siya nakaka-fetching. Kahit ano pang gawin niya. Kasi hindi na siya maka-explode eh. His muscle is very tight na eh. That's why we don't recommend weights. We recommend lang push-ups, sit-ups, push-aways. Yung puro chin-ups, puro natural. Para lumiliit pa yung muscles. Pero kung if you concentrate, that's why I was telling you before, better not put so much weights on your legs. Di ba? You walk with weights pa. Mawawalan yung explosion mo. Di ba? And that's if you want to fetching. Pero you don't need naman to fetching to win eh. Si Jaren cannot fetching but you cannot beat him. He just cannot fetching. That's the difference. He's very strong, but he cannot fetching. He can never fetching unless na somehow lumabot yung muscles. That's the difference. Diba? Look at Bruce Lee, ang payat-payat. Pero pag flex niya yung muscles niya, biglang ganyan. Biglang laki ng muscles. Master David din, ganun din. Diba ang payat-payat, parang skeleton. Pero kung nag-flex siya, ang laki. Kasi explosion niya malaki. Yan. Then, nakaka-form. Parang nag-weights ka. Here, that's why I have muscles here. This is linking. All my muscles are linking. All my muscles, see? All linking. Linking. It will really become firm. Pero it's not a firm that's permanently matigas. It's matigas now, but if I relax, it becomes like gulaman. Di ba? It becomes like tubig. Pero if I make it tigas talaga. Di ba? That's the difference of martial arts and weightlifting. I can control my muscles, soft and hard. Yeah, now it's just simple. You have to, while you're doing Chan Chuang, you just imagine you're holding a ball. Nakaka-hold ka na ba ng ball? Anong mga ginagawa mo? Yeah, many balls. How about water? Nasa water ka. Oh, so you're standing. Sige, mag-stand ka. Sabay tayo. Stand ka. So you're standing, di ba? One leg forward. Any leg. One leg, ha? Tapos may tubig. May tubig hanggang dito. You're underwater. Okay, so you imagine may tubig dito. And then may current na pinupush ka. So mag-stand ka. Now there's a current pushing you, going towards you. You hold it. You feel the current pushing you, so yung body mo is pushing forward. Nilalaban mo yung current. Do you feel anything? Do you feel the current? O now maintain the posture. Now baliktad naman, the current is galing sa likod mo, pushing you forward. So you need to push it backwards or else babual ka forward. So there's a current from behind you. Diba? So yan, all sides, and then left side, pinupush kang, left side is pushing you this way, so labanin mo. So you laban the current that's pushing you left side. And then right side naman, it's pushing. Yeah, so labanin mo yung right side. Then may weak, may medium, may strong. Yung may super strong. Yung super strong is tatangin ka talaga. Super strong na it's stronger than you. So merong weaker than you, equal to your strength, and stronger than you. Okay, so first weak lang, weak. Yung weak, maraming weak. May weak na malakas, may weak na mahina. Then, equal sa'yo. Equal is talagang equal. Walang mananalo. And then, stronger than you. Umatras ka na. If you're feeling the current stronger than you, umatras ka ng ganon. Kasi ang lakas ng current eh. So, you now try to stop yourself from falling kasi the current's very strong. You see me, I'm imagining it's very strong. So, I have to stop. I have to try to hold it kasi it's pushing me back. Or forward. So I'm trying to push it backward, but it's pushing me forward. That's hindrance. You have to have imagination na totoo talaga. You try that. Current muna. Mas substantial yung current. It will help you sa routing. Yeah, sasabay siya. Magko-contract ka, maglilink ka, lahat lalabas na. Basta you hold the current. Lahat ng natuto mo lalabas. Kung may competing ka, lalabas yung compete mo. Like when I open a door, James, I used to just pull it like that, di ba? Your whole body will pull the door. Ako hindi, ganyan ako. When I open the door, you'll see me do that. Yeah, because I'm competing. And when I close the door, I do that. I don't close the door like that. You close the door like that. What you will do, like when I get the pitcher of water, I'm competing. When I get the pitcher, I'm already competing. Diba? That's why Shinny in life. It's in your whole life. Mm. Sige, ano pa? Marami na yan. You try whole body. Kasi I'll give you upper body and lower body exercise. Bahala ka kung anong unahin mo, upper or lower. Kung unahin mo yung upper, super lakas ng upper mo, pero yung lower mo mahina. Pero eventually, sasabay naman yan. Depende sa'yo. Like si Dylan, inuna niya yung lower niya. So nauna yung routine niya. Pero when I push him, gumaganon yung katawan niya kasi mahina yung upper niya. Mahina, gumaganon siya. Pero yung legs niya hindi gumagalaw kasi nagro-root na. Ako naman, baliktad. Inuna ko yung upper ko. So, I'm very strong. You push me, I will not do that. I'm nakaganyan lang. I am very strong. Pero, hindi ako nagro-root. Umaatras-atras ako. Kasi I cannot root. Pero eventually, sasabay na yan eh. Eventually, you're doing up and down na sabay. You're rooting na and at the same time, your top is also rooting kasi it's very strong eh. Hindi siya gumaganon eh. It's steady like this eh. No matter what they do, it's steady lang eh. Ay, James, kilala mo si Dadan, di ba? Si Wancho. Matabang guy, kaibigan ni Dylan. Barkada ni Dylan, martial artist, kay Jim B. Di mo ba kilala? Yan. He died last month. Heart attack. Grabe, no? No. Si ano yan? Hindi. Walang ayaw turuan si Master David. Meron ba? Si Ed Ramirez. Sino kaya? I forgot na. Oh, siguro. No, pero hindi yan. Dadan had a chance to learn kay Master David, pero ayaw niya. So, he never learned from him. Although, sinasabihan na ni Dylan na, you learn from Master David. Ayaw niya. Teacher niya si Jim D. Oo. Si Jim D nagiging... Oh, yeah. Go. Huy siyang kutang. No connection. Yung turbulence ginagamit sa only as a last resort. Only. Like si Percy. Si Percy yung teacher ni Floyd, di ba? Si Floyd, kayang-kaya ko. Si Percy, 60% siya yung nananalo. 40% ako yung nananalo. 60% of the time siya. So, I use Huy siyang kutang. I use turbulence. When I did that, 100% talo siya. Pero you cannot do that every time. Kasi if you do that all the time, you will teach your opponent how to do it. Gagayahin ka ng opponent mo. It's only to win. But it's not for practice. It's only for you to win an actual fight. You never use it in any practice at all. Never. I never use it in any of you, in all of our push-hands. Matalo ka na lang, huwag mo lang gamitin. Push-hands lang naman, practice lang naman. Pero if you don't want na to lose, sawa ka na matalo ka or talagang laban siya, gamitin mo. That's when you use Huishang Kutang pag lumalaban ka. And then, never show it to your opponent kasi ang dali lang gayahin. Sobrang daling gayahin tapos matatalo ka pa if ginaya ka. Si Wancho, naghuhui siyang kutang na hindi niya alam. Ginagawa lang niya, hindi niya alam. Kasi ginagawa sa kanya ni Jim D. Jim D is my friend. I'm not sure if he knows what huhui siyang kutang means. Pero with what I gathered from Wancho, it's being done to him. That's why he's learned it. Pero tayo, we do not do that during learning. We only use it when we fight. Otherwise, matututo yung mga kalaban natin. So there's some things you don't tell anyone. Di ba? Yes, exactly. Pero better, don't do it yourself. Do it with an opponent. You see this? This is already contradicting. I'm doing contradicting already. It's very similar to competing. It's very similar, pero you cannot see. There are many things happening to me inside. This is contradicting, James. I'll teach you next time. Tapusin mo muna yung competing. Okay? Ha. 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 No, only in fetching. Only in fetching. If you do that when you fight, when you punch, you will become tired. You lose your breath, and then you'll have no breath. Mahirapan ka lumaban. During fighting, you just breathe normally, di ba? Just breathe normally, relax fighting, relax, relax. We're all relaxed fighters. And then, when you fetching, ha! Ha! That's when you shout. Only fetching, nothing else. Fighting is silence. Even hitting is silence. Just hit. Silence lahat. Diba? Normal breathing lang. This one naman is, ha? No, no. No, no, I'm doing Equan. Excuse. Sige, anything else? Oh, ang dami nga. Sige, James, tapusin na natin. Try your best, ha? Sige. Anytime. Sige, James. 1 week from now. Okay. Yeah, no problem. What? No problem. What's your work again? Graphics ba? You should, That's good, that's good. You do websites, foreign or local? Galing. That's nice, James. Anong gamit mo ulit? Sige, I know. Wow. So, can you do a database online? Designer. Okay, galing James, galing. That's good. Oo, I understand. Galing James. Oh, sige. Okay. Welcome James. Good night. Okay, sige. Sige, ingat. Text me lang. Okay. Sige. Ingat.